We'll guide you through how to trim a video on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you've got a video you want to go and trim. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So perhaps you've got a video of somebody speaking or yourself, and you want to go and remove the start or end point, just to go remove that blank space. Or it's just a landscape, you don't want the start point or something else. So we're going to guide you through exactly how this can be done. It's really convenient to do, so make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything. It's important to note as well is you don't need any third-party apps. It can be done with the app we currently have, which is Photos. So without any further ado, let's go and jump straight into this. So what you need to do is go and open up the Photos app like so. Now go and find the video you want to do this with. So you can go and scroll and go and find it. In my case, it's this video just here. So you can go and play it back and just go and look at it. Maybe you can go and decide what part here, but you can still go and decide later on as well. It doesn't matter. And then what you need to do is go and head to the bottom row of options. We've got some different options here, but what you're looking for is this option to the right. It's got the lines, the dots on. This is like adjust and edit. Go and tap on it. So then you can go and see the video here. You can go and mute it in the top left. There's some three dots, some more options there. But to go and trim it, you can actually go and adjust this at the bottom. So you can go and see this is the full length, and you can tap and hold that start point and start dragging it. And you can then go and drag it, and you can go and select the area you want to go and keep. So you're going to go and keep what's in the golden and yellow selection here. So now if I go and start playing it back, you can go and see it now starts at that point instead of where it used to go and start right at the start. So you go and get the idea there. You can adjust it and of course go through the other options as well. Then when you're happy with it and you're finished, to go and save it, you can press done in the top right. Now what you can do is go and save the existing video, or you can go and save it as a new clip. I like to go and save it as a new clip just so I can keep the original one in case there's another reason for that. But I like to just go and keep it as an L1. So I can close out of this and now I've got the new one. And you can see I went and removed about 5 seconds. And so then I can go and share this or do what I want to with it.